Not all SUVs are built to last. Some will cost you thousands in repairs, while others will lose value faster than you can blink. But on the flip side, there are a few rock-solid SUVs that are worth every penny. Today, we will break down the worst SUVs to avoid at all costs and the best ones that will serve you for years without issues. Let us start with the best SUVs that you can buy with your eyes closed. Chevrolet Traverse. The Chevrolet Traverse is meant to be a spacious, family-friendly SUV, but instead, it has become one of the least reliable options in the midsize SUV segment. Over the years, Chevrolet has struggled to fix its mechanical issues, and in 2025, things have not improved much. Under the hood, the Traverse is powered by a 3.6-liter V6 engine, producing 310 horsepower. While that sounds decent on paper, the 9-speed automatic transmission is slow to respond and often jerky at low speeds. Owners report frequent transmission failures before hitting 100,000 miles, making long-term ownership expensive. The design is modern and bold, but the build quality is questionable. Many owners report paint chipping, poor panel alignment, and premature rusting, especially in colder climates. Inside, the Traverse offers plenty of space, but the cheap materials make it feel less premium than competitors. The infotainment system frequently freezes, and seat fabrics wear out too quickly, making it less durable for families. The Traverse suffers from major reliability issues, expensive repairs, and one of the worst resale values in its class. If you are looking for a reliable midsize SUV, the Toyota Highlander or Mazda CX-90 would be far better options. If you think the Traverse is bad, wait until you hear about the next SUV, a so-called luxury vehicle that is nothing but a money pit. Land Rover Discovery. The Land Rover Discovery is marketed as a premium off-road SUV, but it is notorious for high repair costs, electrical issues, and poor long-term durability. Land Rover's reliability ratings have consistently been among the worst in the industry, and the Discovery is no exception. Under the hood, you get a 3.0-liter turbocharged inline-6 engine, producing 355 horsepower. However, the engine is known for overheating issues, and the air suspension frequently fails, leading to expensive repairs costing thousands of dollars. While it looks rugged and upscale, the Discovery suffers from paint durability issues, and many owners report water leaks from sunroofs and door seals. Inside, the cabin looks luxurious, but it is filled with electronic problems. The infotainment system crashes often, and many owners experience glitches with the climate control, seat heaters, and digital instrument cluster. The Discovery is one of the most expensive SUVs to maintain, and it depreciates rapidly. If you want reliable luxury, the Lexus GX or BMW X5 are far better choices. But the worst part? The next SUV is even more disappointing. It is tiny, underpowered, and barely qualifies as an SUV. Ford EcoSport. The Ford EcoSport was meant to be an affordable subcompact SUV, but instead, it became one of the worst-rated vehicles in recent years. Ford officially discontinued the EcoSport in North America in 2023, but it returned in some markets for 2025, and it remains one of the least recommended SUVs. It comes with a 1.0-liter 3-cylinder engine, making 123 horsepower. This results in terrible acceleration, poor highway performance, and weak passing power. The 6-speed automatic transmission is unrefined, and many owners complain about rough shifting. The boxy, outdated design does not help. The build quality is poor, with cheap plastics, weak door seals, and fragile paint that scratches easily. Inside, the seats are uncomfortable, the cabin is cramped, and road noise is excessive. The infotainment system is one of the worst in the segment, often glitching and freezing up. The EcoSport is a slow, outdated, and poorly built SUV. There are far better options, like the Hyundai Kona or Mazda CX-30, if you want a reliable subcompact SUV. The next SUV is one of the most popular models, but that does not mean it is good. Nissan Rogue. The Nissan Rogue sells in massive numbers, but it continues to suffer from major transmission issues. Nissan's CVT, continuously variable transmission, has been a disaster for years. and the Rogue remains one of the worst offenders. The Rogue comes with a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine, making 181 horsepower. The CVT transmission ruins the driving experience, causing slow acceleration, overheating issues, and premature failures. It has modern styling, but build quality remains subpar. Owners report panel gaps, weak door handles, and poor paint durability. While spacious, the cabin quality is disappointing. The seats wear out quickly, and the infotainment system is slow and unreliable. The Nissan Rogue is proof that popularity does not mean quality. If you want a reliable compact SUV, the Toyota RAV4 or Mazda CX-5 are better options. Now that we have covered the worst SUVs, let's talk about 3 of the best SUVs you should buy in 2025. Honda CR-V. The Honda CR-V has been a household name for decades, and the 2025 model only solidifies its legendary status. If you want a worry-free, efficient, and practical SUV, this is the one to get. Under the hood, the CR-V offers a 1.5-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine, pushing 190 horsepower. The continuously variable transmission, CVT, provides smooth acceleration, and with available all-wheel drive, it is a great companion in all weather conditions. The hybrid model is even better, delivering over 40 miles per gallon. The 2025 CR brings a more refined and bold design, featuring LED headlights, a sharper grille, and an aerodynamic shape that reduces wind noise and improves efficiency. Step inside, and you get one of the most spacious cabins in its class, with a modern infotainment system, a digital driver's display, and premium materials. Honda's Honda Sensing Safety Suite is standard, making it one of the safest compact SUVs. If you want an SUV that lasts over 250,000 miles with minimal maintenance, the Honda CR-V is hands down the best choice. It is fuel efficient, safe, and holds its value exceptionally well. But if you are looking for something more luxurious without sacrificing reliability, you will love the next SUV, Lexus RX. If you want a premium SUV that lasts forever, the Lexus RX should be at the top of your list. Unlike many European luxury SUVs, the RX does not spend half its life in the repair shop. Powered by a 2.4-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine, it produces 275 horsepower, delivering a smooth, quiet ride with Lexus's signature refinement. If you opt for the hybrid version, you get up to 35 miles per gallon, something rival luxury SUVs cannot match. Lexus has modernized the RX with a futuristic design, featuring a massive spindle grille, aggressive LED lighting, and aerodynamic lines that give it a sleek, upscale presence. Inside, you get handcrafted luxury, soft touch materials, and one of the most comfortable rides available. The 14-inch touchscreen infotainment system is responsive and loaded with cutting-edge features, while the seats are designed for long drives in ultimate comfort. Unlike BMW or Audi SUVs that struggle with reliability, the Lexus RX combines premium features with bulletproof dependability. It holds its value exceptionally well, making it one of the smartest luxury SUV purchases. But if you want an SUV that blends power, prestige, and performance, the next one will blow your mind. Bentley Continental GT. For those who want the best of the best, the Bentley Continental GT is in a class of its own. It is built for those who demand top-tier craftsmanship and power in an SUV. Under the hood, you will find a 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine, pushing 542 horsepower. It launches from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.9 seconds, making it one of the fastest luxury SUVs on the market. The Continental GT oozes prestige with a massive front grille, sculpted lines, and an aggressive stance that commands attention. It is built with aerodynamics and performance in mind, making it a rare combination of power and elegance. Step inside, and you are greeted with hand-stitched leather, real wood trim, and a cabin so quiet, it feels like a private jet. The seats are among the most luxurious you will find in any SUV, and every single detail is handcrafted to perfection. The Bentley Continental GT is an SUV for those who refuse to compromise. It is exclusivity, power, and refinement wrapped into one. A vehicle that makes every drive feel like an occasion. According to Consumer Reports, the worst SUVs suffer from severe reliability problems, poor resale value, and excessive repair costs. Vehicles like the Nissan Rogue and Land Rover Discovery have consistently been flagged for mechanical failures and electrical issues. On the flip side, Consumer Reports consistently ranks the Honda CR-V and Lexus RX as some of the most reliable SUVs on the market, with outstanding longevity, low maintenance costs, and high resale value. If you want peace of mind, go with the top-rated SUVs. But if you do not want endless trips to the mechanic, avoid the worst ones at all costs. That wraps up our list of the best and worst SUVs of 2025. Which one shocked you the most? Do you agree with these rankings? Or do you think a different SUV deserves a spot? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Also, do not forget to like and subscribe so you never miss an update on the latest car trends, reviews, and industry secrets.